If you've ever found yourself frustrated by out-of-sync audio or wishing you could put a slight delay on your live stream for extra safety, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you how to easily delay your video in OBS Studio using two straightforward methods. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fine-tune your live stream or recording, whether you need to match your audio and video perfectly or introduce a delay for your viewers. Let's dive in and get your stream working just the way you want. First, let's talk about delaying a specific video source, which is perfect if you just need to fix a sync issue between your webcam's video and your microphone's audio, for example. To start, in your OBS main window, look at the Sources panel. Find the video source you want to delay, such as your webcam. Just right-click on it and select Filters. This opens up a new window with two main sections, Audio Video Filters and Effect Filters. We're after an effect filter, so under that section, click the little plus button. From the list that appears, choose Render Delay. What's happening here is you're telling OBS to hold back the video from this source for a bit so you can get things lined up just right. Now, you'll see a delay setting called Delay MS. This number is the amount of time in milliseconds you want your video held back. For context, 1000 milliseconds equals 1 second. So a 500 milliseconds delay would be half a second. Enter a value you think might work. You'll probably need to test it out a few times to get it spot on. Don't worry if the lip sync isn't perfect at first. You can always come back and tweak the number. Sometimes, matching video and audio feels like tuning a musical instrument. A little adjustment goes a long way. Once you've set your delay, just close the filters window. Now, check your preview and see if the audio and video are matched. If they still don't line up, it might mean your audio is arriving too early or too late instead. To fix that, you can add a sync offset to your microphone in OBS. Here's how. Go up to the File menu and select Advanced Audio Properties. In that window, find your microphone in the list of audio sources. There's a Sync Offset MS column. You can enter a value here. Try matching the video delay, but again, experiment until you get it just right. Sometimes a bit of trial and error is the fastest way to learn. And don't stress if it takes a few tries. Everyone's setup is a little different. But what if you want to delay your entire stream? Maybe so you've got a buffer in case something unexpected happens and you want time to react before viewers see it live? OBS makes this really simple too. In your main OBS window, go down to the bottom right corner and click Settings. Once you're in, head to the Advanced tab. It can feel a bit intimidating the first time, but you only need a few clicks. In the section labeled Stream Delay, check the box next to Enable. Now you'll enter the delay duration in seconds, perhaps 10 or 20 seconds for a broadcast delay. When you're ready, click Apply, then OK, and you're set. Next time you go live, the whole stream will start with this delay. This is a great way to protect yourself from technical slip-ups or unwanted surprises on a live broadcast. And that's it. You've now got two powerful ways to control video timing in OBS, whether you just need to sync your face with your voice or give yourself a delay cushion for your entire stream. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like. And if you have any questions or need troubleshooting tips, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. For more OBS tips and live stream tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.